Hello from Penny's Kitchen. So, continuing with the theme of healthy comfort cooking and very easy, because this is a really busy week for me. We're making white bean chicken chili, which is an old Pampered Chef recipe we used to do in the microwave that now I am doing in our multi-cooker. There it is over there. It's hard to get everything in the picture today. So let's get started. What I did was I took our shears. Now this is one of our shears. These are the shears that come apart. They kind of act like a knife, and that's what I do most of my meat trimming with when I don't use a knife. And so I cut the chicken into cubes, and then I took our Southwest seasoning and I put it all over the chicken cubes, and I actually used a disposable glove and kind of smushed it around. And in here, in the pot of our multi-cooker, I've got some olive oil heating up. We are on sear right now, and what I'm going to do is get my chicken in, and I am just going to brown those chicken bits a little bit, okay? We're going to just cook this down a little bit because it's actually going to go onto pressure cooker. Let me add a little bit more olive oil, and I love this olive oil dispenser because then tons of olive oil doesn't come pouring out. So let's get the rest of our chicken out of the small batter bowl, and we are just going to brown that chicken just a little bit. And now let's get our veggies. So let me set this back there so that you can see the twist and chop, which happens to be on sale right now. We have a big sale on prep tools. I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil to that. And I'm just doing a rough chop of some green pepper. So I just cut my green pepper. I cut it all around. And now I'm just going to pop it right into the twist and chop, which this is, you guys, this is a must-have, no question. Pulse, 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 done. Okay, I've got some rough chopped, let's pull the blade out. I've got some rough chopped green pepper. I'm going to add it to those I've already done, and I'm going to chop up some onion. So this is why this stays on my countertop, because so many recipes, you just need like one chopped onion. Whoops. It really is better when you put the blade in first. There we go. Put the top on, and this little baby you can just put it on. I like to pulse it because it just works so fast. So look, our onion is already chopped. So let's see how our chicken is cooking. I want to brown this just a little bit more, and let's talk a little bit more about our deluxe multi-cooker, because it does so much, especially in the season. So it's got 16 functions right now. I've got this on sear, but it's got a custom, and you can make eggs in here. You can make hard-boiled eggs in here. You can make fish and beef and poultry and desserts. You can prove dough in here. You can make yogurt in here. You can make soups in here. I mean, this is a really multifaceted small appliance, and especially use this a ton in the winter when I'm doing soups and stews and chilies. But I also do use it in the summertime because it doesn't heat up your kitchen. So we're going to let that go, and that is searing. Let's just make sure we've got this going. Okay, and then I'm going to add the rest of our ingredients to the chicken, because the chicken is getting somewhat browned, to get it a little bit more brown. But we're gonna add our, this is so easy, our green pepper. We're gonna add our onion, and I'm gonna chop up some more onion so that you can see this again, because it's really incredible. Let's put that in here. Put the cover on. Okay, done. That's better than that. And so the thing about the the twist and chop is that the blade goes up and down, so it gets at everything from the bottom. So if you are doing like herbs, I know a lot of other small processors, they don't really work well with herbs because a lot of things get stuck on the bottom. During Thanksgiving time, I did actually a tart dough in here, and it came out incredible. just incredible. So I did graham crackers chopped in here. I did chopped like chocolate cookies in here for a crust when I was doing some baking for the holidays. So now we've got the chicken, we've got the onions, we've got the green pepper. We are going to add our, there it is, our salsa verde, okay? I happen to really love the one from Trader Joe's. I've been making this recipe for a really long time. So we'll add 2 jars of that, and that is just really low in calorie and very, very tasty and gives us enough liquid for our chili, although I am going to add a little bit of chicken broth as well. So let's just move you guys around and let's talk about our can opener. Let's first find it. It is a smooth edge can opener, and I think everybody will agree it's the best can opener there is. Talk to me about the can opener, you guys. It's pretty awesome because it's smooth edge, so it's really safe. It releases at the end, and then it's got, you don't have to touch anything, so you just grab it by the end and pull up your can, and it's smooth, and then your can is smooth. And I am going to rinse these beans right behind me. Hold on. We gotta get them all out. So I have 2 cans of beans, and I'm pretty much making up this recipe as we go. I like to rinse the beans, get anything excess off of those, put them right into the multi-cooker. Let's see how you can see that. And I'm gonna mix this around. And I'm gonna also add just a little bit of chicken broth to this, just to give it a little bit more juice to it. Wait, we left a little in here. Good to the last drop in here. And then the last thing we're going to add is roasted garlic. So I roasted a head of, whoops, we lost one in there. I roasted a head of garlic, and I'm just gonna squeeze out the roasted, let me just pull that in there. Now I'm really gonna smell like garlic, but that's okay. Squeeze out, there's a lot of paper here. Squeeze out our roasted garlic. That gives it such a nice flavor, and you can use a whole head of garlic because when it's roasted, it's really mellowed out, and you can, oh, it's kind of like butter when you do it. That's a whole, look at that, squeezes out, delish, delish, delish. We got a couple of Pampered, not perfect. We got a couple of garlic papers in here. Okay, and that's it, okay? Hey, anybody can make this dish, right? I'm gonna just mix this around a little bit, and I'm gonna put the cover on, which is down over here. And by the way, like all of our small appliances, this comes with cookbook, because everything comes with a cookbook. And of course, everything comes with me. And which way? I was a little backwards because I'm trying to do it backwards. And then we're going to turn this on to, let's see what I want to turn it on to. I'm going to put it on just the soup, because it's kind of like a little bit soup. It really doesn't matter. And then I'm going to let it go. And then it is going to come to pressure. I put it on for 10 minutes, and our chili will be done. And that's what I've got from Penny's Kitchen. Good night. Hope everybody's having a great day and enjoying some healthy comfort food in your own kitchen.